Yeah.
I enjoyed this session. I don't know how to express. I was like, when you gave me the break, I was just telling to my husband that after a long time, seriously, I became again like back to my school time, like drawing with crayons and all. Today only I went and bought all this crayons, color and all. I didn't have it. Actually, I don't paint, I don't draw properly.
Mm-hmm.
I can only teach literature. Like, but here you have made it very like it's not just interactive, interesting. You made it very interesting. We all participated at that group, everything, the teamwork, everything was really good, and I am going to apply it with my kids. I was just sitting and thinking how I'm good, like I'm teaching 8th standard to 12th standard students, and how I'm going to bring them in what, like in which free periods I have to find out assignment periods or substitution periods, and I'm going to do this with my kids. With my kids means all 13 years to 17 years, 16, 17 years students. So like I am going to do, and I'm thankful to you. I'm grateful to you for this, and I really like looking forward for this sessions, especially with you. We want you again and again and
Thank
again.
you.